and in this quick Steam tutorial I will show you how to check your FPS, your PC performance inside in a game, and that's actually easier than you think to set up. So for this you can either do that when you are in game, or either now, as my Steam launcher is open right now. Let's go to Steam, press on it in the top left, now settings, and we have to go to in-game, and now if we scroll down a little bit under overlay performance monitor, we have to check the settings right here. Mine is already enabled right now. If you never enable that, you should see that on off. So let's select that. I will put it in the top left. This is a personal preference. And what other things you can set here? You can set to see only your FPS if that's what you're looking for, or also you will have some more in detail settings right here. You can see your CPU, GPU and RAM full details. Alright, I will leave only the FPS single value for now, and you can copy these settings just if you like how they will look on my screen, but they're fully personalized, like the background opacity, the saturation, and also the text size scaling if you'd like to make it bigger or smaller. So that's all we had to do for now. Let's close this, and now I will open a game. Let's open, why not, the Ark Survival Ascended. Okay, and now I'm inside the game, and if in the top left you can see, I see FPS. If you see something like FG, that means you have frame gen enabled if your graphics card have that enabled. As an example, if I go to video, and now I have frame generation right here. If I will enable this, okay, now instead of FPS I will see FG in the top left, okay? So that's why you may see FG instead of FPS and vice versa, okay? And also I told you you can access that menu if you hit a combination of keys on your keyboard. If you press Shift and Tab at the same time, you have to hold Shift while you press Tab. This menu will pop up. If you don't see settings, you will have to press on settings from here down below, alright? Now, if you go to in-game, you can access the same menu, the overlay performance monitor. If you want to select something different, if you want to see the FPS, CPU, GPU, RAM usage and all that kind of stuff, you can do that. And also let's increase the size, what it looks like now. Okay, it's smaller, but not for a YouTube video. Let's increase that to something like that. Now it's huge. Okay, so that's how to check your FPS in a Steam game, and also how to check your PC performance while playing a game on Steam. That being said, I hope this tutorial helped you out. A comment will be much appreciated, and thanks a lot for watching.